We run together.
We stand together.
We run together.
We stand together.
We run together.
As an African American living in today's society, there are fears that I have to face on a daily basis. A fear of being pulled over by the police, jogging during a certain time of the day, or just being in the wrong neighborhood at the wrong time. As a student athlete, I am surrounded by people who aren't like me every day. I'm in an environment where I'm supposed to feel comfortable, and the people that want something from me, whether performance or participation, understood that my life matters and my people's life matter. The statement Black Lives Matter does not imply that my life or any other African American's life is more superior or important than anybody else. It simply means that our lives is valued by appreciated as regular human beings, a part of the human race. We want justice and equality, and even though we've been fighting, the fight isn't over. This march will not solve the problems that we are facing, but it will develop leaders who will work hard and strive for a change and won't give up until we see it through.
We run together. And I know we say that because that's what wolves do. But from my perspective, it's bigger than that. There's a why. They run together because they are better as a team than they are as a group of individuals. Tonight, when you get to look out and you see a community of people who've decided to gather in masks and socially distance so that we can stand together, it certainly makes me proud to be a part of this university. I know that the other Dr. Kelly and myself couldn't be more proud to see everybody out here and more proud of our student athletes for leading us to this moment.